Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Geometric Dash on PC. So first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser, right? And once you open it up, you are going to search for Geometry Dash, right? So once you search for that, you're going to see it on Steam and it's for about $4.99, right? You click on that and you have to make sure you have a Steam account. So you have to log in into your Steam account, and once you log in, you'll be able to pay for Geometric Dash. So I'm just going to try to log in. Okay, so you can see geometry. You can just add to carts, or you can just pay directly immediately, right? Click to add to carts, right? And you view your carts, and you're going to click on continue to payment. So it's going to load up and it's going to ask for you to actually sign into your Steam, as I said before. So once you sign in, you're going to make payments. It's going to send you a link and you're going to get it downloaded on your PC. So just literally just how to do it. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.